Your brain was never built to make you happy. It was built to keep you alive. That's why an ignored text can trigger the exact same stress response your ancestors felt staring down a predator. Your nervous system never got the memo that the danger changed. Psychologist Rick Hanson calls it Velcro versus Teflon. Negative moments stick instantly. Positive ones slide off, unless you force them to stay. But neuroplasticity proves the brain can be rewired. Neurons that fire together, wire together. Researchers at the University of Wisconsin confirm happiness isn't a fixed trait. It's a learnable skill. Here are 5 tiny daily habits that physically build new neural pathways for happiness. 1. Keep one tiny promise a day. Confidence isn't built from success. It's built from self-trust. Break a promise to yourself, and your brain quietly lowers your internal reliability rating. James Clear calls every action a vote for who you're becoming. Pick one microscopic task, like reading one page, and finish it. Your brain logs it as evidence. I do what I say. 2. Interrupt the spiral before it finishes. Negative thought loops are automatic. Left alone, they groove deeper with every repetition. The moment you notice one, say stop, then anchor to something neutral. The color of a wall, the floor under your feet. This isn't forced positivity. It's disengaging the amygdala before it takes over. 3. Protect a reset window every day. A 10-minute walk, 5 minutes of silence, or 15 screen-free minutes all send your nervous system the same signal. You are safe. Even a 2-minute pause before checking your phone in the morning keeps your prefrontal cortex, not your reactions, in control of your day. At night, unfinished worries act like open browser tabs in your mind. Write them down, and your brain finally lets them close. 4. Hold good moments for 20 seconds. This is Rick Hanson's encoding window. Positive experiences fade in seconds unless you deliberately hold them. Feel the warmth, the relief, the joy for 20 to 30 seconds. That's the firing that becomes the wiring. 5. Do something with no point. Dr. Stuart Brown found that play, activity with no measured outcome, keeps the prefrontal cortex flexible and emotionally resilient. Without it, the adult brain drifts toward rigidity and loses its capacity for spontaneous joy. Play isn't a break from growth, it's part of the mechanism. Your brain doesn't need a breakthrough, it needs repetition. Even your language shapes this. Saying, "I haven't mastered this yet," keeps the pathway for growth open instead of closed. Shift from "I have to" "I get to," and the same task stops registering as a threat. Say it plainly. I am the kind of person who takes care of my happiness. Your subconscious treats that sentence as a standard, not a suggestion. Every small vote you cast when nobody's watching is quietly building who you become. Pick one habit, practice it for 7 days, and comment on which one you chose. Subscribe, because the next default setting we expose, you might not even know you're running on.